Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing what I've done with my, let me see, I think this was August, September, or no, maybe it was July, August, and then it rolled around to September, and then I said that I was going to finish it in September. This is my homemade scrapbook kit, and I have put this away. I don't know what is wrong with this kit, but I've just been, I don't know, just not been totally inspired. I did manage to make a lot of pages with this, but yeah, anyways, okay, let's just get started. So I put all my homemade kits in an iris container. And an iris container you can still purchase at Michael's and other stores, but the inserts, I think you can just get it at Amazon, I believe. So as you can see, I still have a lot of stuff, but a lot of these things I can reuse, like the mist and the washi. But these ones, yeah, I didn't really use them a lot, even the apples. So that's kind of sad. And then, oh, this one's from a different challenge. Anyways, let me show you what's left over. So I have some papers that are left over, some stickers. So there's still a ton of paper left. Some alphas. This one I'm almost done with it, but I haven't used it all up. This as well, I still have a cardstock left. I did manage to use all this up, which was kind of cool. So that sticker sheet is all done and bashed and finished up. And then I have this paper that I had kind of thought of creating a wreath around this photo, but so this is my dad, this is me, and this is my son. My mom was the one that put this together because I guess we all look alike, and so I kind of wanted to document that, and I wanted to use these leaves that I had cut out from this paper to create a wreath. But as you can see, it's not done yet. I don't know when I'm gonna get it done, so I don't know. But let me show you the pages that I did manage to make with this particular kit. Do you guys ever feel guilty when you don't get to finish all of the items or kind of use up all the stuff that was in your kit? I know I usually don't, but with this particular kit I do feel guilty that I didn't get to use it all up. But I'm learning a lot of lessons about me, my preferences, as I make these homemade kits. So if anything, I want to challenge you and kind of not inspire, but I want you to try it out for yourself to make a homemade kit, because you will learn what your personal preference is along the way, and that could say something about how you scrapbook or how you create. Okay, so this one you've already seen because I kind of shared it in the beginning. What I did do was I added some dates because I need that, otherwise I will forget what date it is. This one you've also seen, I believe. Not sure, maybe I haven't shown this one. This one was created for a challenge. The sketch was for the Scrapbook Generation challenge, and then I think there was also a recipe challenge and paper issues that I submitted this for. So I inked up the leaves, and then I did cut up a few papers and added the doilies. I did finish up the doilies, which was pretty good, but I did add a flare from my stash for this particular one. This one was a challenge in paper issues where you were to use the alphabets in kind of a different way. I used them to create my elements over here. I just used 3 different letters that I know I'm not gonna be, like, it's not a common letter that I would use, and so I did add these stickers. This is from the basic gray sticker sheet that the one with the pears, and then I don't know if the owl really makes a connection with this, but I just added just for the sake of adding it. Now the titles were from my stash, not from the kit that I put together, just because I needed that stark contrast between all of the colors on there. This one's a double page layout, and this one was pretty easy because it has a lot of photos. But with this one I managed to use up some of the die cuts, the letter stickers, and then I just put in a bunch of that GCD Studio stickers and then used it all up that way. This one you've seen this already before, and I just added the journaling and then stamped the date on there. And then also this one, you've seen this before. This was my very first layout that I created with this kit, and this one was based off of a scrapbook generation sketch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then that one, hopefully a 7th one. But this was, I don't know, I had a hard time with this kit. So moving forward, I am going to dismantle that kit and put away all of the items back in my stash. Hopefully that I could be inspired to use it again sometime in the future. Question if I'm gonna make a homemade kit for December and for November and December. That's a big question mark, because at this point I feel like my interest is kind of veering away somewhere else other than making a scrapbook homemade kit. I know that's kind of sad for those people that watch my videos solely for the homemade scrapbook kits, but we'll see. If January comes and I am like up for putting together a kit, I will definitely share that with you for sure. But right now, I do not see myself making a homemade scrapbook kit anytime soon. And so if you have a kind of a suggestion for me on how I can kind of look at this putting together homemade kits in a different way, so maybe that will inspire me to create one, please leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, make sure that you also leave it in the comment section below. And if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. I always look forward to reading your comments. It makes my day. Even those constructive criticisms, it helps me learn. I know that there are some people there that, you know, they're just mean. They say things just to be mean, and I totally get that, and I try not to let that get to me. But those constructive criticisms I do take to heart, because I know that I will learn something from you, just as much as I'm hoping that you're learning something from me. Anyways, that is my layout share today. I hope that you like it, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.